You turn your iPhone to watch YouTube in full screen, but nothing happens? Don't panic. The problem isn't with your phone, but with a new option inside the YouTube app that you need to enable manually. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to enable rotation for the YouTube app on iPhone and finally enjoy videos in landscape mode, just the way they're meant to be watched. But before we start, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell so you'll always be notified about my new videos. So, at the very beginning, first find and open your App Store app. Then, search for the YouTube app and check if you have the latest version. If you don't, tap the Update button to update the app to the newest version. This is important because the rotation option might not appear if you're using an older version of the app. Once you finish updating, you'll see the Open button. Tap it, and it will take you to the YouTube app. First, make sure you're signed into your account. Then tap the profile icon in the bottom right corner of the screen. Right after that, tap the gear icon in the top right corner to access the settings page. When you're in settings, the next step is to tap on General, which should be the first option at the top. Now, in this section, find the option Rotate Screen, then tap the toggle next to it to enable it. After you activate this option, the YouTube app will be able to be used in horizontal mode. Now you can rotate your phone and you'll see that the entire YouTube interface rotates. It's important that, while using this feature, your phone's rotation lock is turned off, so the screen can freely change orientation. And that's everything for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more tutorials like this. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.